Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Chatgpt not working on your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and change this scene over here and go on over and switch to the PC version of this tutorial. So what you guys should basically see is this one right here. Go on over Chatgpt and then of course access the openai.com website. Now once you're here, let's go on over and tap on start now. Of course you will be redirected to the Chatgpt software and their website, but if in the case that this is not working for you, so one of the ways that we could actually do is to double check your internet connection with your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet cable if you have any problems with that. So this could contribute to problems like this with you not accessing the Chatgpt website on the PC. One more thing you could also do is to double check if the Chatgpt website is actually down. So let's go ahead and do a quick search of is it down for all or just me. So you can actually go on over on this website called Down for Everyone or Just Me and do a quick search of the Chatgpt website. So go on over and search for that, and basically you should see the option to access Chatgpt. So let's go ahead and just enter OpenAI and see if that is possible. So if that is not possible, you could also go ahead and try different options to access Down for Everyone or Just Me and do a quick search of is Chatgpt down. So you can actually see an update on the OpenAI website of their status and see if Chatgpt is down. So if it is actually down, well, that means that this issue is not just present on you, but on all users of Chatgpt trying to access this. So if it is down, all we need to do is just wait for a few days or hours until the developers of Chatgpt puts it back up again and solves the problem. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.